Laki no, nak. Tingnan mo. Nak, tingnan mo, dali. Nak. Oh, tingnan mo to.
Ano yung goat daddy sa taas? Ano yung nasa taas daddy?
Laki ng fish na, nak.
Ayun lang. Hi, ng fish.
Ayan, no? Oh. Lalaki din yan, no, nak.
It was seaweed or something.
It's not. They're alive.
See?
What do you think?
Laki, ayun, no? Ayun, ayun. Nagtatago. Tatago siya, eh.
Malinis kayo, oh.
Opo, starfish.
Paano yung magagang starfish? Paano yung gagayaw?
Gagalaw kunyari yan.
Iba tayaw.
Gagalaw yan. May tamban, nak. Nak, tamban.
Saan?
Yan yung binibili natin, eh. Yung gusto ni nanay. Ayan, no? Ayan, pakita mo kay nanay. Vlog mo. Ay, tawagan na si nanay. Pakita mo. Tawagan natin. Pakita mo. Oh, malaglag ka dyan. May tilapia pang na yan, ano, halo. Tilapia. Ala. 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 Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bakit?
Eh,
Tara, picture ta. Hindi yan. Hindi kakakainin yan. Ala, ala, ala. Laki, no, nak? Pinutol na. Parang pinutol yung buntot na.
Nak!
Wala yung pating.
Ay na, meron pa din yung mama. Ay, auntie. Ay, nadating.
Nasaan, nak? Nasaan? Oh, laki, ah.
Nak, smile. Nak, smile ka dyan. Yan, dali, dali. One. Ito naman. Bahala ka dyan. Ikaw lang kami.
Laki yung kamay mo. Dito, kay daddy. Dito kay daddy, nak, marami, oh. Dito kay daddy, nak, marami. Nak. Nak.
What? What? Hindi pa ito.
Wow. Daming bangus, ah. Oh, eh, pinicture na yung daddy. Oh, sige, wait lang.
Santi, smile ka dyan. Yan.
Pinicture niya nga ako, eh. Pinicture niya ako dyan.
Picture tayong dalawa, nak.
Nilalaro ka, nak? Naglalaro kayo?
Sabi ko, i-start yung star.
Yung?
Sabi mo i-start yung phone.
Opo, start na yan. O, tara na.
Ang cute mo na penguin. Parang baby lang.
Dali na! Ayun, ang laki, oo.
Ang dami doon na eh. Patingin na! Patingin!
Wait po yung leg ko. Ayun na.
Ang dami doon sa taas.
Wala. Ano, nak? Tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Ito, ito. Ay, naku, gagalaw po.
Hello? Kaya mo yan?
Ayan, hamster.
Ha? Pati na! Ano si?
Ay, ayun. Nak. Shanti. Shanti.
Waters close to shorts, lock rockets to cycles, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent vulnerabilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely strong rock leapers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as 5 miles per hour. Wow, look at that! That is so fast! 4 miles per ice. The prettiest! Great job, girl! Oh, nice line! And another one! Now let's march. Ready, guys? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, sit. This time, could you please join our Soline friends in a salute? And a count of 3. Everybody please salute. And let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Come on, guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2. Salute everybody. Wow, thank you so much. While sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment.